Hello, good morning. Today we will start the study of microscopes. What is a microscope? It is an instrument having a combination of lenses that which allow us to see small objects which cannot be seen by our naked eyes. For this we use magnification and resolution. What is magnification? Magnification is the ability to see which is enlarged up to many times, and resolution is the ability to see two small closely placed points or objects as two different objects. In microscope, there is a combination of lenses. Basically, we have two types: simple microscope and compound microscopes. Simple microscope has a lens which directly magnifies the given object, while a compound microscope has a combination of lenses which enlarge the image formed by the first lens to further many times. This magnification is denoted in terms of X. There are different types of microscopes. One stream which uses light as the source for magnifying are light microscopes, and other ones are electron microscopes. Today we will discuss light microscopes. Principle of light microscopy involve basically, as we know that the light travels in a straight lines for the upper and lower side of a normal. When a light passes through an object, it is hindered by the varying thickness of the object. Then we have resultant light in the form of two types. One are the light waves which are passing through the object, and the other one directly around the object. There is a phase difference in both the lights traveled. Phase difference is basically due to the light waves which are hindered by the object, and varying thickness of the object cause different phase differences in the light traveled. When these phase differences are collectively studied, we get the image which is magnified in the light microscope. Light microscope are the easiest mode of magnification of objects because they are easily available, usable by students at even school level, low cost, and many other simple techniques are feasible to be used when we use light microscopy. The light passing unhindered and deviated through specimen are measured as phase differences. We have many types of light microscopes, and we will take one by one by the as topics differ. The number of light diffracted, order admitted, and the smaller details which are resolved are magnified and studied in different types of microscopes. Simply, we have a compound microscope. That is, when we pass the light through a compound microscope, we have a basic structure. That is, in the compound microscope we have a base, heavy metal base, wrought iron base, so that we are not hindered by the vibrations in the microscope when light passes through it. We have a reflecting mirror which collects the light to focus it on the condenser. Then we have another stage which holds the light. We have a lens above the condenser on which we place the object. When the light is focused by the mirror and sent to the condenser, then this light waves pass through the object which we have placed on our slide in the stage. Above the stage is an objective lens which magnifies in various powers, and we get objective lenses magnifying 10x, 40x, 100x and so on. First image of the object is formed by this objective lens and sent to the upper lens, which is through the body tube. Then this body tube conveys the virtual image to the ocular lens, which further modifies this image and makes it available to the eye. The resultant image which we get is a multiplication of both the images, that is the magnification done by the objective lens and the magnification done by the eyepiece. Then we will have different types of microscopes. Simplest is the compound light microscopes, and these are most commonly used in